Hello, good afternoon. This is a revisit to the XAUUSD I published earlier during the weekend. And presently, we still have, first of all, I would like to delete all this. Okay, I think the key level around that area is still old. Then let me delete this one, delete this trend line, delete this, delete this. And now, remember that on daily time frame, we identified a bullish trend line where we saw pivot lows, increasing pivot lows during the course of the last 6 months thereabout. Now we had the pivot low here as we expect price to come into this trend line where we might probably see an incitation of a bullish trend continuation to the upside. With this perspective in view, and considering the last impulse leg on this chart, which you can see at this point, we we can tell now from the way price action has been expressing itself since March that we are actually going through a retracement phase of that last impulse leg, as you can see. And one thing that is peculiar to my style is that for every impulse leg, there is always a retracement phase. And this retracement will definitely culminate within 50 to 78.6% of the previous impulse leg. So what we are going to be looking out for is this. If we pull out our retracement tool and run it through the last impulse leg, we could see that our 50 to 78.6% retracement of the impulse leg falls within this area, from 50 to 786 which also, so let me allow me put this here. But buy opportunity zone, around this area. So what we're going to be looking for now in the next couple of days or weeks is that we want to be looking for a reversal setup within this zone to incite a preparation for um, a bullish momentum in the form of a breakout of structure to the upside. So if we scroll down to the 4 hours time frame, what do we have here? On the 4 hours time frame, we can see that the bearish momentum is still going. As we can see, price continues to find lower highs and lower lows since mid of April, and this has been guiding price action ever since. So what we want to be looking out for is a reversal pattern around this area. And when we look at what's happening on the 1 hour time frame, we might be getting ready for a reversal structure as a breakout of this level, a breakout and retest of this area could probably be a signal that the reversal setup has begun. So what we want to be looking out for at this point is a breakout of this neckline, a breakout of this neckline, a confirmation in the form of a retest of this neckline to the upside, then the breakout of that bearish trend line when it's from the 1 hour time frame, a retest to send price going to the upside. So one thing I want to be doing at this point is we want to be looking for um, a possibility that we have a breakout of neckline in the next couple of hours, then a retest of that neckline to be a confirmation to the upside. So at this point, I would like to pause the video. Then if you have a signal in the form of a breakout, I shall come back with an update in this regard. Thank you and do have a wonderful day.